one will look just a little bit tough, so I'll give you, let's say I've got log. At the bottom, I'm going to write x plus, let's say, 2. And then here, then you end up with x, it's greater than 5. That's the first one. Then when you go for this one, it has 2. X plus 2, it must be greater than 0. But I must not forget also to do the calculation where x plus 2 must never be equal to, it's got 2 restrictions, this one. There you go. So when you start with this one, we say x must be greater than minus 2. You see, I'm putting them in a box. I've got reason because we must combine all. Then this one must be x must not be equals to 1 minus 2. Well, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, meaning x must never be equals to minus 1. So all three, 1, 2, 3 in the box, you do their number line for you in order to see them. But myself, I can do it without the number line. So if I draw a number line, we show all these numbers. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. The first one will be minus 2. You've got minus 2. The other one is minus 1. The other one is 5. This one of 5, it says it's greater than. So it's an open circle. Greater than is to the right. There we go. And then the minus 2 one here, it says it's going to be an open circle. It also says greater than minus 2, which means you're going in that direction. But this one says you can't allow minus 1. Can you see? Minus 1 is found here, where I'm circling there. That means that line, I must have a hole. There must be a hole here, the bubble there. So here there must be like a hole. So there must be like a hole. It's open there. Because that means I can greater than minus 2, greater than, skip the 1, and then you go on. So if you want to write it one time, that thing, you can actually bring it like this. Write it like that. So which really looks like this. In shortcut, it looks like this. It looks okay. Here I've got minus 2, open circle. Here I've got minus 1, open circle. Here I've got 5, open circle. So you'll take numbers, the yellow one, between minus 1 and 2. And then you must take numbers between minus 1 and 5. And then you must take numbers beyond. So there's 3 solutions. Your solution is here, between, there, between, and here after. So which means when I write it, here between this number, because it's between, it's always x, it's between, like this. It's minus 2 and minus 1. It's for this region. And then we say, or you take between minus 1 and 5. So you put minus 1 less than x minus 5. This one is greater than 5. And then you say, or x is greater than 5. This is like the hardest. So they did not give, with you they were making them so that you only work with the B alone or work with the C. That's why they made sure for you, one of them it's a number, it's positive.